it's important to put some constraints, in your practice sessions. For example, one of my favorite ones is, let's say, can you build a simple app where no class is going to instantiate another class inside it? In other words, you're going to be forced to use dependency injection everywhere. And then you're going to have just one centralized place that instantiates all your components there.
Or you can use singletons everywhere.
Right. That's out of the question. You're not allowed to use singletons.
Another constraint, no singletons.
Another constraint, exactly. Right. That's another constraint.
You can say, can I create a simple application with like 3, 4, 5 screens and only use 3 if statements?
Yes.
And it should have networking, database, and everything. Yeah. You can.
Yeah.
And you're going to learn a lot by putting constraints. I like that idea.